Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to edit photos on Windows 10 or Windows 11 using the free built-in Photos app. This is perfect for beginners who want simple and easy photo edits without installing any extra software. Let's get started. First, open the photo you want to edit. Just double-click your file and it will automatically open in the Photos app. Once your photo is open, go to the upper left corner and click the Edit button. This takes you into the full editing mode where all the tools become available. At the top menu, you'll see different editing options. If you want to remove unwanted areas or focus on a specific part of the image, you can use the Crop tool. Just adjust the frame to get the perfect composition. Next, you can improve the overall look of your photo using the Adjustments menu. Here, you can fine-tune the brightness, contrast, exposure, and color to make your image clearer and more vibrant. You'll also find the Filters section, which lets you quickly change the style of your photo. You can apply vivid, black and white, vintage, and many other effects with a single click. If you need to draw or highlight certain parts of your image, the Markup tool allows you to write or sketch directly on the photo. And if there's something small you want to remove, you can use the Erase tool to clean it up. One of the most powerful features is the Background tool. This AI-powered option lets you blur the background, remove it completely, or replace it with a solid color, making your photo look more polished in seconds. After you're done editing, you can choose to save your changes or save a copy if you want to keep the original file unchanged. And that's it. You've successfully edited a photo using the Windows Photos app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other guides. Thanks for watching.